Hello, Carver County friends. I'm Maren Wilbur from Chanhassen Library, and we are all missing you during this time. So we're looking for ways to connect with you since we can't be in the library together. I wanted to share a spring craft with you that, we're all looking forward to spring and those spring flowers, which are going to come soon. So I'm sharing a simple craft, an origami paper flower craft with you today. And you can do it for yourself with, I've used book pages for this. I just cut sheets out of an old old book that we would have recycled. Or if you want to involve your children with this at all, because I know a lot of you have kids at home, I had my granddaughter color some pages in order to make a colorful flower. And so I'll show you how that looks. Here are the pages that I had my granddaughter color. They are 4 by 6 pieces of paper. If you were going to use book pages, you would cut a 4 by 6 rectangle. And we're just going to start with the first piece. So we have the rectangle. We're going to take the printed side up and fold it together the long way. Then take a corner and fold that down so you have a little triangle shape here. Fold it on the other side. Here's your other triangle shape. Now we'll flip it over. Fold down the corner. Fold down the other corner. And then the next step is to just fold down the top on one side, flip it over, fold down the other side, and then I'm going to fold it in the middle so I have a little crease so I know where the middle is. Let's do it with the next one. So we take the printed side up, fold it together, fold down the corner so you have your little triangle shape. Again on the other side, flip it over, same folds on the other side. Now we're going to fold down the top, and we'll do the same, fold on the other side, and fold in the middle so we have a little crease there. One more. Practice makes perfect. So fold it together the long way, corner down, and try to get your folds as nice and crisp as you can. Flip it to the other side. Fold it down here. Fold down the other side. And fold it in the middle so you know where it is. Fold the tips together so you know where the middle is. Now we're going to stack these 3 pieces that we just did on top of each other. Make sure your points are all the same way. And I know my middle point is right here. I'm going to slide this into my stapler. Try and keep them nice and neat together and even. And then just staple it in the middle. There you go, just like that. So we have the 3 pieces together. We're going to fan them out. So you see how it's going to start making a flower. And this is where it gets a little bit tricky, is making the flower petals. So we're going to fold it out like this and then curl that point down on each of these pieces. So This is where it gets a little tough to do. You just curl it down. Some people like to use a pen to do this, or a pencil to help round it down, but I feel like it works just as easily, just kind of working it down with your fingers. Two more. And one more. So now, and then you kind of have to play with them a little bit to get them to spread out nicely. So I just kind of re-curl them out. There we go. Looking like that. Now the last step is to take a piece of florist wire, or you could use a pipe cleaner, that would work too. I just bend it at the top, maybe leaving about 1.5 to 2 inches. I'm going to find where that staple was. And close it back up again, and then you'll be able to reopen it. So now I have it wrapped around the paper pieces, and I'm just going to twist that end around the long piece of wire. So there you have it. It's a nice little spring flower. And if any of you remember Mayday baskets, you might want to get one put together and hang on a doorstop for a friend who could use a day brightener while social distancing, of course. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.